today I decided to take a quick break from pulling kuzu and weeds from over here on the top of the what we call the mountain, and kind of focus on the Japanese garden a little bit. So I made a interesting discovery, and I really need your help. So if you don't mind, please continue watching a little bit, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So I need to go ahead and pull out these weeds, and for right now, as I mentioned it before, I'm not quite ready to start tackling the actual Japanese garden, how it's going to look, but I need to clear this area out here, and specifically behind that little fire pit that's in between the guest house and my little man cave right there. So right there, I'm thinking about making like a little rose garden. It seems like there's an abundance of sunshine right there throughout the day, and there's actually a little Japanese garden right there, or rock garden I should say. So yeah, I need to go ahead and clear this area out here. There's a little one of the mini cats that are running around here, this property. Where did he go? So I think that I just found what I have been looking for forever, is the water source to the pond. Because I know once upon a time there was water in here, because I have an old photo of the picture and you could barely see that there was water, and that there was koi fish in here, carp. And then from ever, right over there, there's that little hose that I've been looking and looking forever to where that water's coming from. So I just pulled up this rock right here from here, and I heard this hollow noise, and I guarantee you that's where the faucet is at. Well, let's find out. Let's see if I could do this one-handed. This I think would be kind of cool. See if I could capture it. Start with these weeds first. And let's see, hopefully there's no snake or anything up in here. Ooh, that's heavy. We'll see. Well, maybe not. Let me, I need both hands for this. All right, let's see. I'm probably wrong, but put this way. Got this on my pretty rocks, or at least is for the overflow. So if I do put water here, I've been wondering how to work out the water overflow. Whoa. Okay. Interesting. This is what I found. Folks, I need your help. What do we have here? Let's see. It's like this. Went in here, like so. So I guess that's like an overflow. The water would come in, overflow from here. I need a professional for this. Have to get down there. There's another little hose looking thing. Sure. Not quite sure what that is. Is it the overflow? Because this is slightly below it. So if it fills up, does it go in there and run off somewhere? All right, folks. If you know, let me know. Let me keep on. I thought for a minute that I found the faucet to turn on the water, but it's a component to this pond the Japanese garden here. So yeah, let's keep on working. Okay, so yeah, I can't seem to figure it out, but that's okay. I'll that's not the task for today. The task is to continue working over here. But folks, if you understand the system, let me know, please. Really kind of curious and need to know. But kind of what I was doing right now was, let's see, just kind of pouring water in there. Let's see if I can get it. And it kind of drains slowly, but not as strong as I thought it would if it was an overflow. But yet, when I connect this hose like it should be, I guess, because it was disconnected when I found it, and I tried to fill it up with water, it won't fill up. So it's going away somewhere. You figure that by now it'll be filling up pretty soon, but it's barely, you know, it is going away when I put the hose in. See, it's not filling up. So something is going on there. I'm not sure if it like pushes something down and allows the water. See how that's filling up pretty quick. You see, but when I remove it, it doesn't necessarily. That's all it does. Little by little, it drains away, which is kind of interesting. I'm not quite sure where it's going to, but I'll continue watching it. All right, so that ought to do it for this particular area today. I just wanted to get those weeds out of there because they was just driving me nuts. But the interesting thing is, if you can tell by the time lapse, is that I unearthed these two round rocks, which I'm pretty sure they were there for had some sort of decorative or something in the past. I'm not quite sure. This one was there before. That I actually dug it out last year, and I believe maybe that lantern was on it. That lantern originally was not there. We just moved it there because if you have watched other videos, this entire area right here was full of weeds and bushes and a bush, and you can see another one over there. I think it was an azalea that was intentionally planted right smack in the middle. And I also pulled up a couple of roots from the old bush that I pulled out a while back. Yeah, so now I'm going to go ahead and start tackling this other area, but I'm not looking forward to it because the sun is beaming right smack on it. Over here, at least I was able to hide in the shade a little bit for a little while, but that's okay. All right, so the mystery continues. So a minute ago when I was digging the weeds through here, there was this little hole, and I can't see it now, but I got a glimpse of a gray tubing. Not connected to anything. I'm not quite sure where it goes or where it's coming from, but it's very similar. Not saying it's the same, but to the tubing that's over there that's going into the water fountain or the pond. So I'm gonna dig up a little bit and just kind of see what that is. Yeah, tad bit hot out here. Highly recommended it if you need to lose weight like myself. Well, I don't know. It's either the heat or I was a Mo in a prior life. But yeah, I didn't see anything. I kept digging much deeper than where I thought I saw it. So, okay, disregard. Let's continue working right here. All right, folks, thanks for tuning in, and thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe, share, and like. Thanks a lot.